So welcome back to the channel, guys. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So let's understand what our AUDUSD is doing. So first thing first, before we take a trade, we need to understand something. And that thing we need to understand is that what is the trend? So before you take any trade, you need to know what the trend is. And as you can see here on our AUDUSD, we are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is in an uptrend move. You can see here, right? We are having a series of higher high and higher low. Market is very much clearly in bullish move. We are having a series of movement to the upside right now. Now take a look at this high here. Market was able to give an high and here comes the higher low. Market then push up one more time to form a new higher high and here comes what? Higher low. Market push up one more time to form a new higher high and here comes the higher low. So market then push up one more time to form a new higher high and here comes the higher low. Market give us what? A new high and here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? The market push up one more time to form a new higher high, and this is the higher low, which is an equal higher low, by the way. So this level here is a support level. So we would expect all USD to drop just a little bit to fully tap the support level on the 1 hour time frame. So this is the level where we are expecting all USD to come to tap. Once USD can draw to tap this level, then we can now start looking for a buy setup that will make sure that all USD will actually push it from here. So guys, a bullish move is still what we will be expecting on our odd USD for the day. So whatever you don't be doing on your odd USD, be going in for the buy. More updates will be covered for you guys, right? All you just need to do is click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification. So once we drop an update, you don't miss out on any updates, and follow the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.